Hi, this is AP Stats, asynchronous work, chapter 10-1, and I think a couple of classes I think I got it incorrectly. I'm sorry, I'm wearing mask because I am having a student in this current classroom. So, so just the broadcasting from the classroom. It's not live, just a recorded broadcast. So the page 619, chapter 10-1, assignment 45, significance test for P1 minus P2. So the hypothesis, the statement has to be from the proportion. That's why there is no hat marks. You know? So P1 minus P2. So the alternative hypothesis P1 minus P2 is 0, right? Not the alternative, a new hypothesis, okay? So alternative hypothesis is P1 minus P2 is not equal to 0. Okay, so I would like to remember. So the example was hungry children about school one, SRS of 80 students. There are 19 students who had a break. I'm sorry, who didn't have the breakfast. Okay, in school two, out of 150 students, there are 26 students who didn't have breakfast. So we do compare. So when we compare, so this is the hypothesis statement, and we've checked through these conditions: success and failure. And the first school success, uh, n times success and n times failure for the school one, n times success and n times failure for school two. And if it's more than at least 10, we can treat as a normal distribution. The one thing I didn't teach right is right here. Test statistics equal to statistics minus parameter divided by standard deviation of statistics. When we talk about standard deviation of statistics, we did the standard deviation of the two different schools. Okay, this is what we should have done. The pool or combined samples proportion, which is count of success for in both samples combined. So x1 plus x2 divided by count of individuals in both samples combined, n1 plus n2. So this is count of successful. Success was, I go back to this school. It was, let's see. I don't have the data here. Right here. Um, Combined, so 19 plus 26, right? And that is a success. Success means success to find the students who didn't have breakfast, okay? And over the students of two schools, 80 from first school, 150 for second school. So out of 230, okay? It comes out 0.1957, okay? So we have to use this number for success for two schools. All right. Now, when we run the standard deviation right here, sigma p hat 1 minus p hat 2 is success times failure. So now it's we consider success of 0.1957. The failure is complement of this. So it's going to be 0.8043. Okay. Divide by 80. So the count 1 is 80. Same thing, 0.1957 times 0.8043 divided by 150. So I wonder if I wrote down somewhere. That was called standard deviation of stats. So let me write down the equation. So instead of this difference of standard deviation is this, right? I did incorrectly in there at PDU 1 and PDU 7 class. So make sure you watch this video and close out the standard deviation part here. So I rewrite this instead of 0.2375, the individual success and the failure. I will type the pool, which is 0.19 I forgot. 19, let me see. 1957. 0.1957 and complement of that, so let me type it 0.1957 here, 0.1957. Complement of that is 0.8043. 8043. Okay, so now, and I write the equation right here. Okay, then I run the TI calculator. Yeah. Uh, so let me clean up here. Square root. And first, you have to have double parenthesis. I'm sorry, 0.1957 times 0.8043. Let me close the bracket and divide by 80 plus double quotation 0.1957 times 0.8043, close the bracket, divide by 150, close another bracket. I think I should have closed the bracket here too. I wonder if it comes out a nice number. 0.04, I think I messed it up here. It's 0.045. Let's see the answer key. Answer key shows up. Where is the answer key? Answer key doesn't show up here, but if you divide here, let me see. That's supposed to be 0. What I have here, this number is 0. Let's see, 0.045, 0.0455, 0.04. Okay, is it long enough maybe? Let's see. Okay, so I will use that number here. So standard deviation of statistic. Okay, 0. 0.045, forgot, 55. Okay. So let's see what number this become. Okay, I fixed it. I think it's become 1.17. Let's see. So 0.0642. This is difference of the just percentage, right? Divide by 0.0455. I got off something. I think I forgot to close the bracket here. So if if this equation is right, you can just go over and this one's supposed to be some numbers. They didn't tell you. Did they tell you somewhere? Right here. Didn't tell you. So then goes, it's supposed to come at 1.17. So I think I closed the bracket. That's why a little bit messed up. Okay, so after you hit 1.17, since the hypothesis statement, we had the both side, it's not equal to, so it's a tails, two tails, right? So two tails, when you do the two tails, we run the two tails, the p-value goes to this 1.17. We use p-value using this. 1 point. So you need a we need the p-value here. So we go through here. 1.17 is the number. Invert, no, it's a second bars. Invert norm or normal CDF is okay. Normal CDF, and you enter 1.17 and oh no, I'm sorry, it's maybe not invert normal CDF. Sorry. So maybe let me clear everything. Okay, go here, normal CDF, and 1.17, and upper is infinity, and paste. Okay, 0.14 and times 2, right? Because 2 tails. So it's going to be 0.24. And against this, look at this. Alpha level 0.05, it's extremely bigger than that. So we fail to reject null hypothesis. If you have any questions, just stop by, and this is the, we can use it. So I will speak to you next time on Monday or Tuesday, and have a nice weekend.